guys, so in today's video we're going to be doing something a little different. I've been trying to find new ideas with what to do on this channel because I don't want it to be just strictly reviews or compilations. I want to do fun stuff. I want to have you guys choose what I do and give me ideas and stuff like that. This is an idea that I came up with. So basically, I'm going to be opening slimes that were returned to me from over 6 months ago. So all the slimes you see here were returned through the mail to me, probably because they had either wrong addresses or they didn't want to pay customs or whatever. So these were all returned to me around December, November-ish of last year. So quite a while away. I'm recording this in June of 2018. So here we have 14 slimes, all different kinds. So we're gonna see what time does to these slimes when you don't touch them for that long. So let's get right into it. Okay, so next we have, I think this is rose petal fluff. Still smells good. This one is really soft. This one's softer than the first one. So I think this one is still okay. Oh, it's a little bit moist. Oh my god! This one is totally fine. It's a little bit more moist than when I sent it out probably, but it's totally fine. This feels brand new. I'm not really sure why that is, because I haven't changed my cloud recipe since I started making cloud slime. But yeah, this one survived 6 months. So next off we have two peach fuzz cloud slimes, and they have both lost their color, and that's just because they've been sitting in the sun at my house. It's not anything to do with the transit. So let's open these at the same time. They both kind of feel the same. This one feels softer than this one. I'm not really sure why that is. Okay, so this feels way softer. I can actually poke it. I couldn't poke the other one. So let's try to fluff it up. So yeah, it still drizzles. It's very, very wet. I'm not really sure. I guess it has to do with the different areas and climates that these have traveled in, because this one was slightly wet, but it was still didn't leave residue, but this one kind of leaves a little bit of residue on my hands. But other than that, it's still playable. So this one survived. Okay, so now let's move on to the butter slimes. Now, these butter slimes are Model Magic based, so I don't think that they're going to be affected that much other than maybe being a little bit dried out. So let's see. These are both my chocolate truffle butter or something like that. Ooh. Ooh, it smells so good. Right coming out of the container. Still smells so good. So you can definitely see that they're quite airy. Ooh. They're very sizzly. These are 100% fine. Like, this is how I sent them out. So these didn't get dry at all, which is crazy. I feel like Model Magic Butter Slime is like the slime that it's the least affected by weather and by time. So like, as I said, these are over 6 months old and they're fine. So that's pretty crazy. So this one survived. So next we're gonna look at the clear slimes. So I guess we'll just start with Jelly Cube. So as you can see, they are very liquidy. So I would assume that these are just straight up glue right now. I'm going to put some activator on my surface just so that it's easier to reactivate them. So let's open one up. Oh my god. Yeah, that's just straight up glue. Kind of looks like honey. Okay, so let's do both of them at the same time, just for time's sake. This one is kind of like jelly-like, if you can see that. It's kind of got a weird jelly-ish texture in there. I'm not really sure why, but anyway. I hope I don't overactivate this because I'm really, really bad at reactivating clear slimes. Oh gosh. Maybe I should have started with a spoon or something. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna finish activating this and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm finally done activating this. I overactivated it and then it took forever to get it back to a playable state. Again, I'm very bad at this. So here it is. Keep in mind it's still bubbly because I just activated it, so it's still going to be stiff. It still smells like mango. And once it clears up, it'll probably be the same consistency as before. Let's try to break one of the cubes. Yeah, oh my god. I did not expect that. All of the cubes obviously are still full of sticky slime. So when I broke it, it turned sticky. Oh my god. Anyway, this is how it looks after all of the cubes have been broken. So it definitely softened it up because of all of that sticky slime that came out of the cubes. Okay, so moving on. Next we have a fishbowl slime. And again, I assume this one will be very sticky, so I'm going to use this to help it out. Oh my, yeah. It is liquid. Okay. So now let's activate it. Hopefully I don't overactivate it like the last one. Here it is fully activated. This one was unscented. Yeah, it was unscented. I still slightly overactivated it. It's very hard to not overactivate clear slime. But yeah, I mean, it's completely fine after I activated it. I have this just pure clear slime. And this was my holiday tinsel slime. And yeah, that's just plain old glue. So let's try to reactivate this. Oh my god. Okay, so here it is. After I activated it, it didn't actually take that long. And of course, it's still a little bit foggy, but perfectly fine. Okay, so now let's do the icy slimes. So these are really easy to overactivate, so I hope I can revive them. They all seem to have shrunk a little bit, and I think that might be because of the glue evaporating. I'm not really sure. Okay, so let's get started with this one. I don't really know what this one is, to be honest. I don't remember ever having a peach icy, so I'm a bit confused as to which this one is, so. Oh my. Okay, so I finally have reactivated this one. You guys, I feel like my hands are gonna fall off after this one. It was so annoying to reactivate, so I don't think I'm gonna be doing the other three of this type, just because I know that if one of them reactivates, all of them will. So they'll all kind of be this consistency. They all did shrink, as I said before. But other than that, they kind of seem the same. I mean, I guess they're a little less stretchy just because they shrank, but... So yeah, that is about it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any fun, interesting ideas of videos you want to see, please comment them below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, comment below also. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.